Hey, welcome to Create with Fran. Today I am making some green tea honey muffins. So I'm going to start with my wet ingredients, and I have 2 eggs. Now to my 2 eggs, I am going to add sugar. I have a 1/4 cup of white sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm just going to whisk that all together. Now to that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of honey. Quarter cup and then a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. We'll set that aside and we'll mix up our dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I have 1 cup of flour. You can use any combination, white, whole wheat, whatever you like. And then a 1/2 cup, I'm using wheat bread. And to that, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we'll mix those all together. Now we're going to add in 1/2 of our dry ingredients to our wet. And now we're going to stir in 1/2 cup of very strong green tea. Now this green tea, you let it get cold. I brewed it with like 4 tea bags, so it was extra strong. And now I have a 1/2 cup of cold green tea I'm adding, and I'll mix that in. And then I'll stir in the rest of the dry ingredients. I'm just putting some liners in my muffin pan, and or you could grease your muffin pan, and I'm just going to divide that batter evenly between my muffin cups. I'm just cleaning up my pan here because I can never get my batter into my cupcake liners without making a mess over my pan. Are you like that? So anyway, we are going to bake those at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, and they'll be done when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And while they're baking, I'm going to make a little glaze for them. Okay, for the glaze for our green tea honey muffins, I am using 1 cup of icing sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of this green tea. I'll see after 2. 6, so we'll use another. So when our muffins are out and cooled, we'll add a little of drizzle of this glaze. All right, and our muffins are all cooled, and they were done in about 22 minutes. And I'm just going to I've got my green tea and ice and sugar mix, and I'm just going to give them a little dip in.